It is day 72. Show up on camera with confident spirit. Welcome back to our 90-day sprint. Today, we're going to unlock one of the most important skills in your digital journey, showing up confidently on camera. And here's the truth, my friend. Confidence isn't something that you wait for. It's something that you build. When you show up on camera, you're not just recording a video. You're building trust, you're building connection, and you're building authority. People don't buy perfection. They buy presence, they buy energy, and they buy you. So most beginners overthink everything. What if I mess up? What if I look awkward? What if no one watches? But here is what I've learned on this journey. Your energy matters more than your equipment. Your authenticity matters more than your script. Your heart matters more than your words. The people God has assigned to you aren't looking for flawless. They're looking for real. When you speak with clarity and heart, they feel it. And when you show up consistently and confidence grows naturally, they feel that. You don't need to memorize scripts. You don't need to be perfect on the first take. You just need to simply flow with a hook, value, and call to action. And that's it. The 3-step simple framework will transform how you create content and how quickly you can show up. So today, I want you to record something simple, 30 to 45-second video using the 3-step flow. First, your hook. Say something that grabs that attention. Second, your value. Teach one small point with clarity. And third, your call to action, and tell them what they need to do next. Don't redo it 20 times. Don't chase perfect lighting. Record it only once or twice and smile and hit save. This is how confidence grows, through action, not perfection. Every time you press that record, you're building the muscle of showing up. So think about it this way. The first video might feel uncomfortable. The 10th video will feel a little easier. But your 100th video or your 1,000th video, you'll wonder, why did I ever hesitate? But you can't get to that 100 or 1,000 video without starting with that one video today. So you don't need a fancy setup. You don't even need to sound like someone else. You just need to show up in your authentic self. Someone out there is there waiting for your message in your way. They need to hear it in your voice, in your story, and through your unique perspective. You are more ready than you think. The clarity that you have right now is enough. The experience that you've gained so far is enough. The passion in your heart is more than enough to make an impact on someone's life. So your challenge today is record a simple hook, value, and CTA video, upload it inside the community thread of our Day 72, and don't forget to download your Day 72 worksheet. It will guide you through today's confidence exercise step by step. So hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss Day 73. We're going to dive deep into the emotional side of content creation and how to speak directly to your perfect customer. See you tomorrow, friend.